Are there any other features in a disability insurance that I should look for?
Absolutely. The policy should provide partial or residual coverage so that when you return to work but still suffer a loss of income, you would still receive some benefits. This is typically called residual coverage and is offered as a rider by most companies. Under a residual disability provision, a person receives a percentage of his or her disability benefit based on the percentage of income loss the sickness or injury has caused.
Tell me more.
With most policies, to receive residual benefits, there must be a loss of income, usually at least 20%, and either a loss of duties, meaning you can't perform all your duties, or a loss of time, meaning you can't work full-time. The more favorable method is one which is based on income loss after return to one's occupation.
How does that work?
Let me give you an example. Let's say a physician returns to practice after being disabled for 18 months after a severe fall. She goes back to restart her practice and is back full-time. Is it likely that her income is back 100%? Does she walk in and have a full practice after 18 months? Is it possible that even in good health, one's practice will get fully back to the same income level? Maybe, maybe not. The income method will pay residual benefits for income loss proportional to income prior to disability, even if back to work full-time. This is definitely the more favorable method.
Thank you, Richard. That's great advice, but what if somebody's income increases? Can they increase their benefit later?
If the benefit level being offered to you isn't the company's maximum benefit and you expect your income to increase in the future, you should consider a future increase option rider. This allows you to raise your benefit level in the future should your income allow without proof of medical insurability.
What about inflation?
You could consider a cost of living rider which, during a period of disability, adjusts your benefit on an annual basis to keep up with inflation. Those are the main riders we typically recommend and include in every proposal we produce. Then, we will review the benefits versus the cost with you to help you create the perfect policy for your situation.
Thank you, Richard.